Good morning, wow kids. So kids, as we know, Halloween day is nearby. And do you know kids, what is the importance of this day? So kids, on this day, we say bye-bye to bad vibes and we welcome good vibes. So kids, as you can see, I have a picture of a ghost. And ghost is the bad vibes. And ghost says boo. Yes kids. So kids, today we will do a cotton pasting activity. So I have a picture of 3 ghosts. Now we will make cotton balls of this cotton and we will paste on the picture of a ghost. So let's start. So kids, first of all we will take cotton. Yes, we will take a piece of it and we will make a ball like this. Yes, like this. Let's make one more. Yes kids. So kids, see, we have made so many of cotton balls. Now we will take a picture of a ghost and we will apply the glue this manner. Yes kids. And now what we will do? We will take some cotton balls and we will paste it like this. Yes kids, we will paste it in this manner. Yes. Similarly, we will do cotton pasting on other 2 ghosts. Yes kids, we will apply glue in this manner. Yes kids, and now tell me what we will do. Very good. We will apply these cotton balls in this way. Yes kids. So kids, see, we have done the cotton pasting on all 3 ghosts. But kids, these ghosts are not looking nice. So let's put emotions on them. So we will put 2 eyes and a happy face on the first ghost. Yes. So here it goes. The eyes are here and one more eyes. Yes kids. See here. Yes. And now this ghost is happy. So we will put a smiley face. So we will apply glue. Yes. And we will put on it like this. So kids, see how pretty this ghost is looking. He is very smiley. Yes. Similarly, let's put the other one. Again, we will apply glue on its eyes and we will stick over here. Yes. Again, we will apply glue on the other eye and we will stick over here. But kids, this ghost is very sad. Yes. So we will put a saddy over here. See here. He is so sad. Yes. And now the third one. Again we will put the glue on the eyes. Yes. And we will put on this. Now we will apply glue on this side and we will put over here. And kids, this ghost is shocked. So we will put a shocking expressions in this manner. So see kids, we have done 3 emotions. First ghost is happy, second ghost is sad, and the third one is shocking. Yes kids.